my name is Christina Govinda with DomesticFelicity.com, and today we're going to talk about how to make drapery with clips. When using clips for drapery, your best option is to pick clips that have rings on them so that you can hang them on a dowel rod or a curtain rod. Clips can be a great way to hang curtains or to make a curtain out of something that isn't one without sewing. This vintage tablecloth would make a great curtain. Take your clips and just strategically place them along the panel of fabric. You can try and get the clip on the hem so that you're not putting too much pressure on the panel of fabric. You want to evenly space your clips along the top of the fabric. Go ahead and do this all throughout the top of the fabric. Lastly, you're going to string your loops onto your curtain rod. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Christina, and today we talked about how to hang drapery with clips.